Have you ever faced a problem where you had to deal with duplicated values? This tutorial will show you how to remove duplicates in Excel for Mac. In front of me, I have a dataset that shows the grades of a sophomore math class. The data shows the name, surname, grade, and GPA of the student. However, there are some double entries that we need to get rid of to analyze properly the success of the sophomore math class. For example, we have twice John Newman, who received a grade B and has a GPA 3.0. We can also observe that the class has two Tonys, Tony Levy and Tony Yami. Despite the name being duplicated, we wish to keep them after removing the duplicates. To do this, follow the next steps. First, you select the cell range from which you want to remove the duplicates. An important note to remember, it is best to remove any outlines or subtotals from the data before trying to remove duplicates. Then you click Data, and from the Data Tools group, you select Remove Duplicates. A new window opens that asks you to check or uncheck the columns from which you want to remove duplicates. Keeping all boxes checked will let Excel know that the two Tonys mentioned earlier need to be kept after removing duplicates, meaning Excel will delete all double entries of those students that have the same name, surname, grade, and GPA. If your data already has headers, like ours, make sure that the box My list has headers is checked before clicking OK. Click OK. Now you have a list without double entries. Another cool feature Excel has is the advanced filter option. Select again the data range from which you want to remove the duplicated values. Go to Data tab and click in the Sort and Filter group on the Advanced option. Click Copy to another location. In the List Range box, make sure the range contains all the data from which you want to remove duplicates. Click Copy to box and select a cell to which you want to copy the data. Let's make sure this is going to be under F1. Make sure to select Unique Records Only before clicking OK. As you can see, Excel removed all the double entries with the same name, surname, grade, and GPA. This function is great when you want to keep the original data, which is here, and here's the new data without the double entries. This should get you started on removing duplicates in Excel for Mac. Thank you for watching. If you found the tutorial helpful, subscribe for more Excel tutorials.